Welcome back to another episode of RC Hampton. This is the review of the kickflip 132 scale car I got. Nice foam wheels all the way around. Nice little painted body. It has good suspension. It's rear-wheel drive. It's really fast for the size for it is. Handling is good. This can do little stunts, wheelies, little jumps, and jumping off things as well. And it can land really well. It's only a quick little review for this particular car I got. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the description below, and press the subscribe button for more videos. I'll see you on the next episode of RC Hampton. Bye for now.